Welcome to Manchester Window Factory. Today we'll be shedding light on a key feature of modern homes, patio doors. Patio doors are elegant and practical architectural elements that seamlessly blend your indoor and outdoor living spaces. These doors are typically installed in the back or side of a house, connecting your interior to your patio, decking area, or garden. There are different types of patio doors to suit your taste and needs. Sliding patio doors are smooth gliding panels that open horizontally, providing an unobstructed view and easy access. French patio doors, on the other hand, feature a classic design with two hinged panels that swing open or closed. We also supply and install bifolding patio doors, which elegantly fold and stack to create a wide open space. Patio doors offer numerous benefits. First and foremost, they flood your home with natural light, making your living space brighter and more inviting. They allow you to enjoy beautiful outdoor views and bring nature closer, creating a sense of connection and harmony. Patio doors are not just about aesthetics, they enhance your lifestyle. Hosting gatherings becomes a breeze, as guests can effortlessly flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. They provide ventilation, helping to circulate fresh air and maintaining a comfortable temperature throughout the home. Moreover, modern patio doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Our doors are equipped with multi-pane glass, thermal breaks, and weather stripping to keep your home well insulated, reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Concerned about security? No worries. Patio doors now come with advanced stainless steel, multi-point locking systems and shatter-resistant glass to keep your home safe and secure. In conclusion, patio doors are a fantastic addition to any home. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel and share the video.